can of Skull I'm a-dipping. Onto my morals I'm a-gripping. My branding flag is a-whipping, and to that a bird I'm flipping. In the land of grand illusion, seems to be some confusion. Truth is just an opinion, and the other side I'm accusing, and to that the bird I'm flipping. I'm a racist doomsday prepper, lock 'em up and throw away to keep you. There's no one left, I don't need no company. I'm a racist doomsday prepper, and that there is no doubt. To people brown and black I say, fuck off, wherefore get out. Testing my tenfold hat is arresting. With every thought I'm just guessing, and with Texas don't be nessing, and to that the bird I'm flipping. Open, carrying their weapons, intimidating our citizens. And then the bird I'm flipping. They are marching in a stepping, stars and bars they were wearing. Through our cities they are riding. Insurrectionists in hiding. To that the bird I'm flipping. But pedophile protectors and the king. I'm in lockstep with a fascist code. To that there is no doubt. When there's no one left and they come for you, fuck off, where